Hey cousins, I'm excited. So today's video is on a U part wig, not a V part, not a headband wig, but a U part wig. Yes, they threw it back and they brought back U part wigs, which I appreciate because I used to custom make U part wigs myself, but now you don't have to do that, sis. You can buy a custom made one already. If you guys are interested in learning my thoughts about this unit, I have been wearing it a few days, so I have formed a good educated opinion about it, as well as I did a brief demo of me installing it so you can see how effortless it is to install this unit. Go ahead and stay tuned. So today's video is being brought to you guys by Nadula Hair. Shout out to them. I always have pleasant experiences working with them, and their hair always does me right. Get into it. So like I said, I have a U part wig from Nadula Hair. This is their body wave texture, and I have it in 18 inches. Perfect for this 103 degrees weather we are having here in Southern Cali. The lace ain't lacing the way they need to right now. So get you a style that you can let your natural hair breathe. I've been enjoying wearing my natural hair a lot more lately, actually. And styles like this to where I can just pull out my natural hair, finesse, you know, my little bit of baby hairs because they thin as heck, and you know, do some blending and roll, and it's giving natural. And I noticed a lot of people are getting more so into the natural. I'm still team lace, okay? But I appreciate styles like this. So what I'm going to do is leave a link down below to Nadula Hair so you can check them out. This wig is super affordable right now. For an 18 inch is $108. Cannot beat that. And you can make payments because they do accept, like, I forgot all those other, is it Klarna? However you say that. Afterpay. I'm team Afterpay, and they have Afterpay on their site, so you can't beat that. You can check out with this wig for around $20.
Yeah, sometimes we laugh, sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now. Baby, I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down, baby. You took a trip, now we on your block, and it's like a ghost town. Baby, where did these niggas be at when they say they doing all this and all that? Tired of beefing you boss, you can't even pay me enough to react. You waking up in the crib, but sometimes I don't even know where I'm at. Please don't play that nigga songs in this party, I can't even listen to that. Anytime that I run into somebody, it must be a victory lap. Hey, shawty come sit on my lap. Hey, they saying Drizzy just snap. This is between us, it's not like a store, this isn't a closable gap. Hey, I see some niggas attack, and don't end up making it back. I know that they at the crib going crazy down bad. What they had didn't last, damn baby. Sometimes we laugh, sometimes we cry, but I guess you know now. Baby, I took a half and she took the whole thing. Slow down, baby. We took a trip, now we on your block, and it's like a ghost town. Baby, where did these niggas be at when they say they doing all this?
So now that you've seen how easy it was to install that unit, let me give you guys a little bit more of a rundown about my experience with this wig. The cap construction only comes in one size. That's a con for me because everybody does not have the same size head, obviously. I have a head on the smaller side, and this cap is fitting fairly large on my head. But what I ended up doing was cutting off a little excess piece in the front on both sides, and it didn't harm the wig at all. It was just like about an inch extra piece of like weft in the front. It had hair attached to it, of course, but if you're like me, you're gonna probably need to cut that piece off and you'll be good to go. In the crown area, it's still pretty big, but it's not uncomfortable. I don't feel insecure like the wig is going anywhere. So, and also I want to mention that if you want to take it up a notch and you want to feel like you got a sew in, go ahead and remove the combs, and you can just sew the unit down, the wig will fit flawlessly, first of all, if you were to do that. And you can sleep in the wig and your hair is protected. You cannot go wrong, okay? You cannot go wrong with that. I used to do that all the time with my custom ones that I used to make back in the day, and I would just take them off probably like every 2 weeks to maintenance my natural hair. Anywho, been wearing this hair for 3 days, no issues. I wore it in its natural state for the first 2 days, and then today I went ahead and did like flexi rods on it, and it came out okay. Oh, I did like add like a couple face framing layers in the front just to like zhuzh it up a little bit. So this is how the hair looks all to the front. It's giving me like I got a 3 bundle sew-in kind of vibe because this is 150% density. It took about 3 to 4 days to receive my unit, and I live in Southern California, so can't go wrong, cannot go wrong. I foresee this particular texture lasting you a while, especially if you take care of it. So if you want to purchase this unit, I will provide links to Nadula Hair and of course a direct link to this unit. Get the 18 inches, or if you want a even shorter one, go ahead with like 14. You're gonna stay cool and you're gonna be looking good. Definitely 5 stars out of 5 for me. I love my lace wigs. They are not going anywhere. However, let's let our hair breathe a little bit this summer and not be fighting with no lace and no got to be glued. And we don't do the ghost bond and stuff like that around here. Protect the edges, sis. Let them flourish, because Lord knows mines need to flourish more. Y'all, thank you so much for rocking with me. Y'all know I come in and out because I be protecting me and my peace. And I have some more videos coming to talk about that, so stay tuned. I'm gonna let y'all into my business a little bit. So yeah, I'm feeling really good. I needed that break that I took, about a good 2 week or so break, but y'all know how I do that all the time. Anywho, thank y'all. I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for rocking with me, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. I want to twerk, twerk, twerk. Y'all know I'm in a good mood when I want to twerk. Now see, a yaki texture, who will be able to check me? I need this in a yaki texture. So freaking gorgeous. So gorgeous.